Hello everyone, this is Atari Man North, as it would be. You usually go by Atari Man, but that was already taken, so I'm Atari Man North. And for my inaugural cracking of cards, I am going to open a blaster box of 2016-17 Series 2 in hopes to find Jack Eichel or Connor McDavid canvas. So this is my first attempt at doing a video, so bear with me. There we go. Crack it open here. See what we got. We got a Jonas Donskoy, Colton Parayko, a Jake Guentzel Marquee Rookie Platinum, Jenny Malkin, and Brad Richardson. Oscar Lindberg, John Moore, Artturi Lehkonen, Young Guns Canvas. Very nice. Very nice. Braden Holtby and Marc-Edouard Vlasic. We're going to put this guy to the side. Dig out the Guentzel. So most of my breaks are going to be hockey. That's mainly what I collect. So Joe Coburn, Cody Ceci, Richard Rakell, Carey Price, and Luke Schenn. Keep this video very short. I only have so much memory on my camera, so it'll be a short one. Thomas Hertl, Jonathan Toews, Oliver Shillington, Sean Monahan, and Chris Kunitz. Matt Calvert, Anze Kopitar, Stephen Johns Young Gun, Richard Panik, and Keith Yandel. Oh, Jack Eichel, Yuri Hudler, Zach Werenski, Peter Mrazek, and Olli Maatta. We are not looking for Jack Eichel. We are looking for Patrick Laine and Mitch Marner in this 16-17, I believe. Alexei Emelin, Max Domi, Colin Wilson, Jaden Schwartz, and Henrik Lundqvist. Kevin Shattenkirk, Michael Granlund, Thomas Greiss, Devontae Smith-Pelly, and Ryan Hartman. Dave Perron, Mika Zibanejad, Matt Martin, Derek Brassard, and Hampus Lindholm. Matthew Perreault, Jason Demers, Travis Hamonic, David Schlemko, and Duncan Keith. Morgan Riley, nice. Drew Doughty, Sergei Bobrovsky, John Gabriel Peugeot, and Shane Harper. Wah, wah. Blake Como, Torrey Krug, Mike Ribeiro, Evander Kane, and Tyler Seguin. So that is it for my inaugural video. I am Atari Man North, and I'll be posting more busts and also some cards, stuff that I have for sale or trade. You can find me on eBay at Atari Man North. Thank you very much, and have a good day.